Mamaya pa nga eh, paano mag-blow?
Wala na tita, na-blow na.
Siyempre, good health, malalim siya sa sakit at saka tsaka maging mabait paglaki. Alright, so siyempre pa din sa Jollibee. May
Patay.
si Cedric. Okay, so Nerly. Ikaw, ito mo na. How many wishes do you have, Sir Cedric? You have 2 wishes. Alright, first wish. Sir Cedric is to grow up and to become a God-fearing person just like nating lahat. Alright, second wish. Sir Cedric is to grow up and to become huwag maging matigas ang ulo tulad. Nalito sa akin. Okay, how about Jollibee? How many wishes? 3 wishes. Alright, first wish. Sir Cedric is to grow up and to become a God-fearing also. Okay. At huwag maging matigas ang ulo. Okay.
Matalino. Ay, tama! Matalino daw.
Ano? Maging matalino. Okay, sabi ko kasi ganun eh.